BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag, your stylish and organized companion on the go. Upgrade your travel experience with the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag, the ultimate organizer for all your essentials. Designed to combine fashion and functionality, this bag is perfect for every traveler, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended business trip. This toiletry bag will keep you well prepared and stylish. With its generous dimensions of 12.6 by 9.1 by 4.3 inches when rolled and 12.6 by 33.5 inches when open, this bag offers ample space to accommodate everything you need. The bag features 4 separate compartments with zip closures and a convenient back open pocket, ensuring that your toiletries and cosmetics are neatly organized and easily accessible. It's perfect for both individuals and families. What sets this toiletry bag apart is its thoughtful design. The inner main pockets with elastic straps keep your bottles upright, preventing any spills or leaks during travel. The double zipper compartment allows for quick access to your items, even when the bag is not fully open. The transparent sides provide a clear overview of your contents, making it easy to find what you need. Traveling has never been easier with the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag. It comes with a stowaway 360-degree swivel non-slip metal hook, providing versatile hanging options in any bathroom. The two-way zipper closure ensures quick access, and the carry handle doubles as a hanging strap, made from water-resistant polyester peach skin with the supple touch. This bag is not only stylish but also durable. It's well padded to maintain its shape and protect your items. The sturdy stitching and heavy-duty material can handle even the bulkiest of items, making it perfect for gym showers, outdoor activities, and more. Stay organized, stylish, and confident on your travels with the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag. It's time to upgrade your travel game and have everything you need at your fingertips. Plus, the water-repellent fabric ensures your items stay secure, and cleaning is a breeze. Embrace the compact size and stylish look of this toiletry bag, and you'll never want to travel without it again.